Here's a quick tutorial on how to add fractions with the same denominators. Let's take the first question for example. We have 2 over 3 plus 7 over 3. To do this, what we do is we add the numerators, which is the top number, and we add the bottom numbers, which is the denominator. So in this case, 2 plus 7 is 9, and then the denominators added together stays as 3. A common mistake that people do is that they add the 3 and the 3 to thinking it's 6, but this is not the case, it's 3. This is just a common rule that you need to know when you're adding fractions with the same denominator. Now, I'll cover a video on simplifying fractions in the future. However, in this case, the answer for this question is 3, because it is 9 divided by 3. Moving on, we have 5 over 6 plus 5 over 6. In this case, the answer would be 5 plus 5 equals 10 over 6. Now, this fraction can be simplified to give us 5 over 3. And the way we've done that is I've divided by 2 on the bottom and the top side. A key to answering fractions questions is to remember to always simplify your answer. Moving on, we have the third question. 8 over 9 plus 1 over 9. This would equal 9 over 9. And you're probably thinking, what does it mean when the top number, aka the numerator, and the bottom number, aka the denominator, is the same? Well, the answer to that is that it always equals 1. Whatever number it is, for example, even if it's 17 over 17, it's always 1. Moving on, we have 1 over 2, also known as a half, plus 11 over 2. The answer to this is 12 over 2. And do you reckon this answer can be simplified? The answer is yes. This is 6 over 1, or commonly known as 6. This is a special case because it is 6 over 1, not 1 over 6, which is what some students get confused with. For example, if I say 5 over 1, this is 5. If I say 4 over 1, this is 4. You get the idea? The next question is 64 over 9 plus 20 over 9. Now 64 plus 20 is 84, and then the 9 plus the 9 is 9. Remember that it's not 9 plus 9 equals 18, because when you're adding fractions with the same denominator, it always stays the same. And this simplifies to 28 over 3. Remember to always simplify when you're adding fractions. And the last question is 1 over 3 or a third plus 2 over 3 or 2/3. Now, for this is 3, 1 plus 2 equals 3 over 3. And because in the previous example I said 9 over 9 equals 1, the top number and the bottom number is the same, in this case 3 over 3 would be the same, and it'd be 1 as well.